अभी देखिए कोई नेता यहाँ पे पहुंचे हुए हैं शायद अंदर जाने के लिए, और यही वजह है कि इस दुख की घड़ी में भी बजाय दर्द पे मरहम लगाने के, जब बात यहाँ पर आती है लोगों की मेल मुलाकातों की, तो ये शायद यहाँ पे हैरान करने वाला होता है। देखिए, और यहाँ पर देखिए आतिशी पहुंची हुई है मरीजों से मुलाकात करने के लिए। आतिशी पहुंची है, तो देखिए दर्द पे मरहम या दर्द पर, या यूँ कहे तो यहाँ पर एक तरीके से दिखाने का ये प्रयास कि हम ज़्यादा परेशान हैं, हम ज़्यादा चिंतित हैं। पहले एलजी पहुंचे हैं और अब आतिशी पहुंची हैं।
Live visuals. Caretaker Chief Minister of Delhi Atishi has reached outside the LNJP hospital. This comes after Lieutenant Governor of Delhi VK Saxena also reached the LNJP hospital just moments ago. At least 15 people have been killed. 3 others have also been confirmed dead in the Lady Harding Hospital, and the death toll may rise further. 11 people have been reported to be severely injured. That is the vehicle of Caretaker Chief Minister Atishi, who has reached the LNJP hospital in New Delhi, where several injured and even people who've been killed, their bodies have been escorted and taken the LNJP hospital in New Delhi. Amit Shah has also spoken to the Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and taken stock of the situation. He has asked for all possible help and action from the side of authorities to be taken in times of such a tragic incident that unfolded at the New Delhi railway station. A stampede that killed at least 18 people in New Delhi just today night. The stampede unfolded at the platform 14, 15 and even 16 of the New Delhi railway station. Take a look at Prime Minister Modi's first statement that came in after the stampede. He said that he was distressed by the stampede at New Delhi railway station. He's in fact also said that his thoughts are with everybody who have lost their loved ones to the tragic stampede. He's also ordered an inquiry into the situation that led to the stampede. The Prime Minister has now assured that the authorities are assisting all those who've been affected. Anamika, my reporter, joins us again to get us more details from the ground.
कवर करनी पड़ती हैं, जिसके लिए हमें बोलना क्या है शायद समझ में नहीं आता, शब्दों का चयन समझ में नहीं आता। लेकिन जब यहाँ पर लोग आके पूछते हैं कि आपने देखा है क्या इस नाम के शख्स को अंदर जाते हुए, तो बताने में बहुत तकलीफ होती है कि मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता कि ये पहुँचे कि नहीं पहुँचे।
Viewers, these are the visuals from outside LNJP Hospital, and Caretaker Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, has reached. Delhi's IG has also just reached outside the LNJP Hospital, where Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena and Caretaker Chief Minister Atishi are already at spot outside the LNJP Hospital. 18 people have been killed so far, 11 others have been reported to be injured, and yet there is no official statement from the side of the railways. The police also tried to stay tight-lipped about the death toll initially, but now we've gotten to know that at least 18 people have been killed. Rajnath Singh has also taken cognizance of the situation. In fact, he was one of the first persons to reveal that there were deaths, to confirm that deaths had taken place in the deadly, tragic New Delhi railway station stampede. These are the separate statements that are coming in, including from the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, VK Saxena, who in fact edited and deleted his earlier tweet where he did not speak of the death toll in the tragic stampede.